Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search up for the user on your TikTok PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and log into your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on the search button which is on the top of your screen and search the user that you want to look up to. After searching a user, just click on that profile. And there you go. That's how you can search a user and find it on TikTok. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.